If you have the Cricut Joy, you definitely are going to want to download the Cricut Joy app, which is available on iOS devices. It's a very simple app that makes it so you can create simple projects like labels and cards in a snap. It's not as robust as Design Space, but it's a great app for beginners. When you first get into the app, you're going to see different sections. There are projects that are ready to make or that you can customize, or you can design your own for a couple of different categories like you can see here. One of my favorite features of the Cricut Joy is card making. The first category on the app is card making, so you can go through and select one of many cards that they have that are already pre-created. I'm going to pick this one, and you can look and see that it tells you what supplies you need. You pick the card size, and then you can edit the colors of the insert card or the actual card to be whatever you want it to be. After you're done editing it, you'll just press Make It, and you can see the project overview. Quick Labels is one of my favorite features in the Cricut Joy app. This is a great way to make labels quickly and efficiently for a variety of different mediums. When you go into this section, you can see different cutouts and even drawn samples. So you just pick the one that you want that looks like what you want for your labels. And this is the cool part where you go in and just type in the different labels that you want. So for this, I'm going to put a couple of different popular pantry items. And you can put as many as you need, and it will just automatically put it on the label that you selected. After you're done with that, you'll just press go. You can kind of see what they'll look like, and then you're able to edit them. So you can change the colors of the colors of the fonts and the embellishments, and even the font color. Then you'll see a sample, and you can press go and go ahead and cut it out on different mediums for the Cricut Joy. Now let's talk about making your own design. When you go into the Cricut Joy app, scroll down to the bottom and you will see iron-on, paper crafting, and stickers. You can select from this depending on what project you're going to make, and it'll have you pick from different size designs to work with. Then you can put in different fonts, shapes, or one of the images that is in the Cricut Joy library. From here you can make whatever your design you want. And it's really fun to get creative and work with the different images. There's so many different ones, and right now they are all free as of October 11th, 2020. That may change in the future. Once you've gone in and made your own design, you can make it look however you want and then press Make It, and you can pick from any of the compatible materials to cut your design with. You can preview the mat, which I think is always helpful, so you make sure it's in the right spot. And it's really easy to make your own design and save it. This app is really simple to use, and it may not have all of the features that someone who is really good at designing would like to have. However, if you're really just wanting to make quick and easy projects using your Cricut Joy, it is so fun to use, and I am definitely a big fan.